So hello everyone, in this video we will see a lead code question of maximum consecutive ones. So in this question we are given a binary array, that means the array contains only zeros and ones in it, and we are given an integer k. So we need to return the maximum number of consecutive ones in it with the condition that we can flip at most k zeros in that array. So what would be the maximum number of consecutive ones with at most k zeros in it? So let us see the first example. So in this example we can see that if we flip this 0 it would become 1, and if we flip this 0 it will become 1, and since we can only flip at most 2 zeros, so the maximum consecutive ones are here 6 in numbers, so we'll return the answer as 6. So since it's a binary array, we will only have zeros and ones in it, so we can also say that we need to get the maximum length of the sub array with at most k zeros in it, because if there are k zeros, so the other values would be always 1, and we can since flip the k zeros to 1, so all the elements inside the sub array would become 1, and we need to find the length of the maximum sub array. So whenever the concept of sub array comes in, we will use sliding window technique, where we will keep a left pointer and right pointer, and we'll keep on incrementing a right pointer until we get exhausted with a k value, and once we get exhausted with a k value, then we will shift our left pointer so that we can find a better sub array of greater size. So let us implement that solution. So we have declared n as the array size, left pointer and right pointer initially to 0, and the initial answer also to the 0. So what we will do now is we'll keep on iterating the array until we reach the end of the array. So until we reach the end of the array, and what we'll do is we can at most flip k zeros in our sub array. So if we encounter nums of right part, like whenever we are iterating towards the right part, if we encounter any 0, we will decrease our k value, and then we'll keep on updating our answer with the current length of the sub array. So the length of the current sub array would be right minus left plus 1, and we'll keep on doing, and we'll increase our right pointer as well, and then we'll return the answer. But if we are keep on decrementing the k value, there will be some part where our k value will become less than 0. So that means now we need to stop iterating towards the right part, and we now have to shift our left pointer to a position so that we can discard some of our previous zeros and have a new sub array length with which might have a better length or poor length as well, but we need to update our answer in this way. So if our k value becomes negative, that means we need to discard some of our zeros from the like left part. So if nums of left has 0, that means we need to discard this 0. So by discarding just means incrementing the k value, and we'll keep on incrementing our left pointer until we find this condition, until we found any 0. Otherwise, if we are finding one, we'll keep on incrementing the left part, and then we are just updating our answer as well until we reach the end of the array, and in the end we are returning the answer. So let's submit this. So it got accepted. So hope you learned the solution. Thank you.